This mass suicide adhered to the Mayan calendar, which predicts the end of time to occur on the 21st of December.
Outspoken, brazen, cert, tan. Inside you guys talking about the world's going 2012. You guys don't know nothing. 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 2. For mine, I'm defying the tyrants who cry about a conspiracy, which is definitely a lion. There will be no alignment or a poor shift. The truth behind the matter is the government controls this. It's just another cover-up, like Area 51 is really shifty, huh? Cause you're living a lie like the Truman Show. These are the inner emotions that true men show. And for you dudes that back it up with your scientific theories that are whack and suck, like alien gods, dog, are you serious? Delirious pricks better be hearing this shit. The world only ends for those who don't deserve it, so don't listen, fear nothing but a nerve, kid. But if we do die, better live life now before the clock and the calendar both strike down. 2, 0, 1, 2, 2,
when the earth is quaking, words betraying from the mind drip the dirt to fragrance. All talk on the brink of calamity, but my own view is thinking insanity. All the annotations from the animations makes me think about those who command the nations. The end of Earth ain't a problem for me, cause I only trust that Nostradamus can see. No 2012 rubbish, the government's disguise. It appears to me that they're cunning with their lies. Viral plagues, tidal waves, overall apocalypse. But really this shit is a small accomplishment for the Mayans, horrifying, ain't it? Well, you know that, man, of course I've been praying. With war bombs and missile attacks, simple and back, the earth will critically crack. Yeah, 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2.
Watch land crack beneath where you stand. You grip your balance with both your hands, falling before eyes. We try to reverse mistakes, frightened, expecting the worst end of existence. We wait patiently, God show me you're really there. A sign of proof I will pay you. Virus suppression our life and they threaten our refuse the death of our black president. What weapons with capabilities of ending us by so many things wrong on this planet. See, I get predictions if it's ending. Limited time we have with life so vivid. Ask questions like many that are still unanswered. Area 51, alien like mysterious lights roaming our skies. You know more than you claim. The reasons of this change, but I say December 21st, the same shit's gon' stay. Speaking otherwise, gon' try with your prophecies. Panic all that you want, 'cause false rumors ain't gon' bother me. Heaven and hell, angels and demons will claim this planet. Problems we face are simply put as self-caused damage.
2, 0,